Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna show you my Boxing King tools. I buy it for 150 pesos. These are like figures. These are figures. This Jared King Lawler here, King Lawler, and Super 50. And this is my Boxing King toys. King Ring. Here, figure here, figures, the marble here, the chainsaw here, and my gloves. And here, this is my ring. The ring. This ring is Boxing King item. And that's all.